DJI is the most well-known brand for capturing professional quality aerial footage. We are very confident that no other brand has managed to capture close to 80% of the market. DJI provides high-quality drones, and best of all, they are designed so that even beginners can easily learn how to use them. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 5 best DJI drones you can buy in 2024. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 SE. The Mini 2 SE is a basic model that lacks collision avoidance but contains GPS tracking, return-to-home features, quick shots, and automatic flight patterns that allow you to capture professional-looking footage with the press of a button. This drone is ideal for people new to drones or cannot afford the higher prices of professional models. It's a full-fledged smart drone with powerful software and user-friendly control systems, but it's reasonably priced. This small but well-constructed drone can take 12-megapixel photos and 2.7K videos. Another advantage for novices is that the weight is less than 250 g, so you do not need to register it with the US government to fly lawfully. You should still check your local rules and regulations, but it's a useful feature anyway. It is also portable and tiny. When folded up, it takes up roughly the same amount of space as a soda can, making it easy to transport during travels. Furthermore, DJI couldn't resist equipping the camera with a high-quality 3-axis gimbal, resulting in an image that is more stable than most 4K budget drones. Manual exposure is also available, but not in RAW. Number 4. DJI Avatar Combo. The DJI Avatar is a high-end first-person view drone that not only includes FPV gear, but also has camera drone capabilities for recording video. One of its standout features is the first-person view, providing a unique experience unmatched by other drones. It's like wearing the MetaQuest headset, but you're piloting an actual drone and capturing professional footage. The drone's video resolution is 4K at 60 frames per second, allowing you to record high-quality footage. Despite being one of DJI's lightest and most nimble drones, it's ideal for uniquely filming sports while preserving all the details. Equipped with cutting-edge stabilizers, it ensures smooth recordings even during high-speed spins. The rechargeable battery provides 18 minutes of recording time, and the DJI Air3 Plus offers a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. While it's not difficult to learn how to manage, mastering advanced maneuvers will likely require practice. DJI has designed this drone to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Number 3. DJI Air3 Fly. If you're looking for a more professional drone with higher wind resistance, the DJI Air3 is the best option. This drone combines the affordability of the Mini 3 Pro with the professional specifications of the Mavic 3, delivering excellent performance. Weighing 720 grams, the Air3 falls under Europe's C1 category, which comes with more restrictions compared to the sub-250 G drones. However, it offers a substantial 46-minute flight duration. The DJI Air3 introduces dual-camera drones to the mainstream, making it a great choice for aspiring aerial photographers. With dual cameras, you can switch between wide-angle shots and a 70mm equivalent zoom, adding a new dimension to your drone photos and videos. It also excels at slow-motion recording at up to 4K 100 frames per second, providing impressive action shots. Overall, the DJI Air3 is reasonably priced and easy to use, thanks to its adaptable cameras, excellent obstacle avoidance sensors, and long battery life. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro is a powerful high-end drone designed to provide professional quality recordings in all aspects. It stands out primarily for its highest image quality of 5.1K at 50 FPS, ensuring that the footage looks great. The Mavic 3 Pro is suitable for cinematographers, independent filmmakers, vloggers, and other creative professionals. It is heavy enough to require FAA registration, and you must have an operator's license to use it for paid projects, but it is still portable for on-site work. There aren't many drones that can offer footage in 4K or higher, but the DJI Mavic 3 Pro does it thanks to remarkable technology. You can also shoot photos at 48 megapixels, which will look just as good as films. In addition, the DJI RC remote controller is included, so you can easily control it and get a video feed of up to 15 kilometers. One of the reasons this drone is one of the best is that it uses 3 cameras to provide the greatest possible video quality with a simple initial setup. Furthermore, the rechargeable battery is intended to provide up to 43 minutes of operation on a single charge. Overall, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the greatest and most advanced consumer or prosumer drone available today, thanks to advanced capabilities like omnidirectional collision avoidance, enhanced return to home, and advanced subject tracking. Number 1. Dubbed the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro improves on the Mini 3 Pro's features to set a new standard for sub-250G drone performance. The updated Mini 4 Pro refines all the great features of its predecessor, keeping the camera that can be remotely switched to portrait or horizontal mode, while enhancing the video ISO sensor to capture superb low-light video at frame rates of up to 30 FPS. The Mini 4 Pro has a maximum flight range of 11.18 miles and a maximum transmission distance of 12.4 miles. This makes it a great gadget that can be taken almost anywhere and operated without an FAA license while capturing 48 megapixel stills or 4K video, shooting in D-Log, and offering a full suite of DJI's intelligent flight functions, including obstacle avoidance. DJI also provides a controller with a built-in 5.5-inch screen, as well as a more affordable version for those who want to use their smartphone as a monitor. Furthermore, DJI's versatility extends to larger batteries, providing more than 40 minutes of flight time compared to the 34 minutes for drones that exceed the weight limit. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an excellent sub-250G drone with features suitable for both professional and amateur use. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.